this is Doug from DroneMobile. Today we're going to be talking about how to do an OBD-II installation of the Drone XC2. This is our newest dash camera that has live view capabilities as well as integrated vehicle control. To complete an OBD-II installation, these are the parts you're going to need: the main cable, the OBD-II adapter, and the camera itself. You will not need this hardwire adapter. This can be discarded. So here we are inside the vehicle. The first thing you're going to do for an OBD-II installation is locate your OBD-II connector. This will be on the driver's side dash. Once I've located my OBD, you just simply plug it in. Once you've made the OBD-II connection, you can now connect the USB-C from the OBD-II adapter to the USB-C from the camera. Make sure that connection is secured, and make sure all of your cabling in the vehicle is secured as well. So that wraps up the installation of the Drone XC2. If you're interested in more information, visit our website and check out our other videos.